Hello everyone. Today my topic is simple interest. Let me explain simple interest with the help of an example. There are two friends A and B. Friend A borrowed a some amount of money from B. This amount of money which A borrowed from B is known as a principal. So principal is the money borrowed or the money lent at certain percentage, and this is known as the rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? Is the percentage at which interest is calculated. Let us assume that A borrowed some amount of money at certain rate of interest for 1 year. This 1 year is known as a time period. So what is a time? Time is the period for which the money is borrowed. After 1 year, friend A need to give him some extra money that is known as a interest. So interest is the extra money paid for using the borrowed money. It is known as a simple interest, and simple interest is calculated by the formula I is equals to P into R into T divided by 100. So after 1 year, A need to give him total money which is known as the amount. So what is an amount? Amount is the sum of principal and interest. Okay, now formula. The formula which we are going to use in simple interest are, first one is I is equals to P into R into T whole divided by 100. Next is the formula for the principal. P is equals to I into 100 divided by R into T. It's derived from here only. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, I need to find the value of P. So by cross multiplication, this 100 will, when it goes here, it becomes a numerator. So I into 100, and this R into T, here it's in the numerators. When it goes this side, it becomes a denominator. So R into T. So P is equals to I into 100 divided by R into T. Similarly, we can find R is equals to I into 100 divided by P into T, and T is equals to I into 100 divided by P into R. And the last, very important, is amount. Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Okay. Note: to convert months into year, we have to divide given months by 12. So sometime your time period is given in month. So if it is so, we need to divide a given month by 12. Let's take an example. For example, 3 months is equals to 3 divided by 12. When I divide 3 by 12, it becomes a year, which is 1 by 4 year. Okay, problem number 1. Find the simple interest on rupees 4,000 at 7.5% per annum for 3 years, 3 months. Also find the amount. Given principal is equals to rupees 4,000, rate of interest is equals to 7.5% per annum, time is equals to 3 years 3 months. Here we have a month, so first we need to convert a month into year. So 3 years, 3, we know that how to convert a month into year. So 3 divided by 12 becomes years. So now 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. So is equals to, your time is equals to 13 by 4 years. We know I is equals to P into R into T whole divided by 100. So instead of P, I'll write 4,000. Instead of R, I'll write 7.5% 5 into is the 13 by 4 whole divided by 100. Here, now we'll simplify it. 2 zeros and 2 zeros will get cancelled. Instead of this decimal, I'll write 10 here. Now this 1 0 and this 1 0 will get cancelled. This 4 and 4 will cancel. 75 into 13 is equals to 975. So simple interest is equals to 975. Next I need to find the amount is equals to, formula is P plus I. P means it's 4000, interest is 975, so A is equals to rupees 4975. Number 2, what sum of money will yield rupees 170.10 paise as a simple interest in 2 years 3 months at 6% per annum? So what sum? So here we need to find the principal. We'll start with given interest is equals to rupees 170.10 paise. So instead of this decimal we'll write 1. After decimal I have a 2 digit, so it's a 100. 2 zeros will be there, so 1 0 and 1 0 will get cancelled. I'll get rupees 1701 divided by 10. So interest is 1701 divided by 10. Rate is 6%. Time is 2 years 3 months. It can be written as 2 whole 3 by 12. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. I'll get 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Here's, we know principal is equals to I into 100 divided by R into T. Interest is 1701 divided by 10 into 100. Rate is 6%. Time is 9 by 4, so 9 will be here, 4 will go up. Now let's simplify. 1 0, let's cancel with 1 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, we'll cancel here. 3 5s are 15, 16 17 20, 6 18, 19 22, 3 7, again with 3 3s are 9, with 3 1s are 3, 2 26, 3 8s are 24, 24 26, 3 9, so now 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9. So when I multiply 63, 10 and 2, I will get 1260. So our sum, required sum is rupees 1260. Next problem, find the rate of interest. Find rate of interest when rupees 800, which is rupees 130 as simple interest in 2 years 6 months. So this is your principal, this is your simple interest, this is your time, and you need to calculate rate. So given principal is rupees 800, interest is rupees 130, time is equals to 2 years 6 months. 2 years 6 months means 2 whole 6 by 12. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 2 2 is 4, plus 1 5. It's 5 by 2 years. We know we need to find rate. R is equals to I into 100 divided by P into T. I is 130 into 100. P is 800 into time is 5 by 2, so 5 by 2. Now 2 zeros will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 30, 5 6 is 30, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So it's 13 by 2. 13 by 2 means it's 6.5% per annum. So our rate of interest is equals to 6.5% per annum. My next problem, find the time when simple interest on rupees 3.3 lakhs at 6.5% is rupees 75,075 rupees. So I need to find time. This is your principal, this is your interest, and this is your rate. Given principal is equals to rupees 3.3 lakhs, which means 3,30,000. Interest is 75075. Rate is 6.5% per annum. We know T is equals to I into 100 divided by P into R. I means 75075 into 100. P is equals to 330000 into rate is 6.5%. So now here these two zeros will get cancelled. So I'll get 75075 into now how come this 10? It's like this. Now instead of this decimal I'll write 1, and after decimal I have one digit, so 10. So 75075 into 10, it's a 3300 into 6. Instead of 6.5, now I will write 65. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. With the 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 0 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again with the 5 6 are 13, 5 6 are 30. So here 5 3s are 15, 0, now 1. This one cannot be divided by 5, so it's a 0. 5 3s are 15. Now with 3 2s are 6, 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 0 0, 3 1s are 3. Now with 11 2 is 22. With 11 9s are 99, 21. 13 1s are 13, 13 7s are 91. So I'll get T is equals to 7 by 2 years, which is equals to 3 whole 1 by 2 years. That means it is equals to 3 years 6